You screwed up your row. What's the best way to take out a row? Okay, I'll show you. Did you say, Faith, you were purling and you should have knit, so you need to unpurl? Is that what you're saying? Because I'll show you what to do. You need to unpurl. Okay. All right. I'm going to purl a couple of stitches just to show you. I'm going to go in really close so you can see what to do. I'm going to purl about 5 stitches and then I'm going to unpurl them. Okay. So I'm bringing my yarn to the front and I'm going to purl 5 stitches. And then I'm going to unpurl them. That's 4, 5. Okay. Now, it's kind of easy to see with this yarn. Do you see the little bumps that are on the bottom of each of those stitches? When I was knitting back here, there's little V's, but you can see where I started to purl. So that little bump is the stitch that we just purled, and that's the stitch I want to put back over here on my needle. So this light purple yarn is going through each one of those stitches. So what I need to do to unpurl is to pick up that loop. So I'm going to very carefully take my needle and go back into that loop below. So do you see that? I'm picking up where that light purple yarn is going through. I pick up that stitch, and once it's over here on the left side, then I can just let it fall off and pull my yarn through. I'll show you again. I need to pick up the stitch below where that light purple is coming out of. Do you see that? So I pick that stitch up, and once I have it hooked over here, then I could just take it off. I can just slide it up and let it drop off. You see what I'm doing? I'll do it again because I got 5 stitches to undo. There, where the 2 legs of this stitch, the 2 legs come together and they're in a stitch below. You're watching super close. So this stitch, see where the 2 legs of that stitch come together and there's a stitch below where those 2 legs are going into? That's what I want to pick up. So I go in there and I just very gently try and grab just the yarn where those 2 legs are going into. And once you have it over here on your left needle, you can let it drop off on your right needle, and you caught it. Okay, I'm going to do it a couple more times because I've got 2 stitches left. So see that green thing, that green part? You see how my 2 legs are going into that green stitch? The 2 legs going into that green stitch. So I got to take the tip of my needle and go into that green stitch because that's the stitch I want. So I just gently go up underneath and put my needle into the green stitch, and then I let it fall off the right side and it undoes it. So I hope that helps. Now that next stitch is a light purple one, so I just kind of gently go in and grab that stitch and then I let it fall off. So there, I just unpurled 5 stitches. Did that help?